Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add captions using CapCut AI, which is their like auto caption features. So I'm just going to add in this video. I'm also going to size it down a little bit because it's going to take a long time if I have it to like the 4-minute mark. So I'm just going to adjust my video. You don't have to do this. But you are going to then go to text here and you're going to select auto captions and you are going to select the language that your video is in. You only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options here. You have English, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Indonesian, Spanish, and German. And once you have selected the correct language, you are just going to select create. Oh, I have to turn on the volume. And you are going to wait for the app to literally just create captions for you. You can edit it here in Captions, and you can like add in like extras that are not in the auto captions. Maybe some of the words are incorrect. Maybe like here there is like a video that it didn't get detected, so select the text and add in like the text that or the word that isn't detected by the app. And that is basically it. Super simple. You can adjust you can change the font here. Make sure you apply to all first if you want the font to be the same for everything. You can also change colors. I have a video of that on this channel, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!